As Nigerians here, we sit with our brother here, Boris from Ghana, and jollof rice
Don't start!
We starting on it today.
Start.
We knew you were coming.
Don't start.
Whose jollof is better?
What country makes the best jollof rice?
Try Nigerian Fanta. Try Nigerian Fanta. Try Nigerian Fanta. Listen, people, I hear you. I see you. And we're doing it today. I've got Nigerian Fanta. I've got Ghanaian Fanta.
Hello everyone, Lillian here. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. If you are my returning viewer, I appreciate you for coming back. Please do it to give this video a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to announce to you that Ghanaians and Nigerians have finally taken the Ghana versus Nigerian jollof rice to Hollywood. So I'm here to take you to Hollywood to go and witness the battle going on between Boris, kojoe, and Nigerian Hollywood celebrities. Let's go.
As Nigerians here, we sit with our brother here, Boris from Ghana, and jollof rice
Don't start!
We starting on it today.
Start.
We knew you were coming.
Don't start.
Whose jollof is better?
I'm gonna walk out.
You're not leaving.
I'll walk out right now.
Be like that preacher. Close the doors. Close the doors until we settle this.
Yo, you ain't lying. I'm not gonna front, right?
Oh man!
I mean, this is the cold version.
That's right.
The cooler version when it's coming right out the. Are you kidding me?
My grandma sometimes she put powdered sugar.
Oh yeah.
But see, the Italians do it with Zeppelis.
With the
Zeppelin, the fried dough.
That's right.
The Germans do the same thing with powdered sugar.
Man,
Oh really?
Africans were traveling around. I'm gonna tell you right now, some people all connected.
Yeah, you guys got me.
Of course.
Come on, man. You see all
You
this?
think they only stole the artwork? They stole everything.
They stole this.
What is that?
No.
Puff puff? No.
That is a dough. It's so good. I make it myself.
Show me how you made that.
Right.
So you got to answer the question. We're gonna let you off the hook.
What was that? What question was that?
Jollof, you heard it.
Jollof rice. Who makes the best jollof rice?
Ghanaians, of course. Ghanaian jollof is the best in the world.
I think
best in the world.
The best in the
Senegal.
world.
No, it's Nigeria.
No. Ghana number one, Senegal
No,
number
I want to
two.
say Nigeria.
Hold on, you said what?
Nigeria's number three.
Whoa. I don't know about that, but
This is
Senegal.
this is controversial.
Senegal is number two.
Can you hold me back?
I'm gonna try.
hold me back.
It ain't working.
All right.
Come on, we gotta zoom in when it happens. Come on, dude.
It's as if the whole world is always on the side of Ghana. If not, what is this? Take a look.
What country makes the best jollof rice?
And that's a sticky one, 'cause I have to be careful what I'm saying here. It's split in between Ghana and Senegal.
No, Nigeria.
Nigeria is there, number 3, but my favorite is Ghana. Don't be upset with me, just come and try mine.
Try Nigerian Fanta. Try Nigerian Fanta. Try Nigerian Fanta. Listen, people, I hear you. I see you. And we're doing it today. I've got Nigerian Fanta. I've got Ghanaian Fanta. And we're gonna try them, see what they taste like, and see if they're different. Also, to compare these two, I've got a German one. And of course, I'm gonna drink them out of my Feifel Goes West glasses. Starting with the Nigerian one. This is ice cold, by the way. I always get comments from people saying that my drinks look warm. Ice cold, there's condensation. I have waited so long for this. I'm so excited. It was really hard to find this in Amsterdam. But based on the comments, I think my mind is about to be blown. Are you ready? All right, cheers. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. It's very, very, very sweet, first of all. It tastes like these vitamins that I used to eat when I was a little kid. These like Flintstone shaped vitamins. Okay, now I'm gonna try the Ghanaian one, and I paid €1.75 for this. Let me know how much it costs where you are. Like, just tell me how much I was ripped off, please. My first taste of Ghanaian Fanta. Cheers. Okay, they're definitely different. Okay. I'm gonna say, I like the Ghanaian one more. It's a little bit sweeter and doesn't have like that medicinal quality that I'm getting from the Nigerian one. But as a reminder, in case you didn't watch my last video, this is what the German one looks like. Completely different. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Having this one after this one doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like I'm drinking water because this one just has so much flavor. I don't know, man. I think I like the Ghanaian one. I think that's my new winner.
But why is it always like that? People are always on the side of Ghana. When it concerns Ghana and Nigeria, non-Ghanaians are always on the side of Ghana. An American will rather support a Ghanaian or Ghana than support a Nigerian or Nigeria. A British, the same thing. Of course, South Africa, needless to say. Kenyans go. They rather support Ghana than support Nigeria. Why? I'm asking why. I know why. I don't want to talk about it, but I know why. Now that we are doing this, let me use this opportunity to address the rice that was cooked for I show speed when it came to Ghana that made Nigerian jollof one. In 2023, I posted a video here. I wish I can find that video. If I can, I will include it here. A friend of mine came visiting, so I took her out to one of the popular eateries here in Ghana, and we both ordered for jollof rice. In that video, I said, any day there's a competition going on between Ghana jollof versus Nigerian jollof, do not use any of these popular eateries. Do not. But you people didn't hear me. I said, do not use it. I have had jollof rice here in Ghana, and if I can find that video, I will include it too. I said, any day there's a competition going on between Ghana versus Nigerian jollof, use small restaurants. They cook the best jollof rice. I am not a fan of jollof rice back home in my country. I rather eat rice and stew. I rather pour palm oil on my white rice, plain rice, and eat than eat Nigerian jollof rice. Except, of course, I cook it myself. I have said that before, but guess what? Since I moved here, since I came to Ghana, I have been a big fan of jollof rice because I like Ghana jollof. It is so good. If you guys have listened to me, Nigerians wouldn't have won the jollof war when I show speed came. Anyway, the deed has already been done, and next time, listen to me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and it's all fun, as I'll see you in my next one. Bye.